Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan, and in this episode, it's going to be a bit different from our normal tutorial videos. This episode will mark the first of a new series our channel will offer, which is giving you a quick update of what happened in the AI industry over the past week. Kira and I plan to give weekly updates alongside our normal tutorial videos to keep you all informed on what is happening in the growing industry of artificial intelligence. Our first highlight is CES 2025, where artificial intelligence dominated the spotlight. Industry leaders like LG, Sony, and Nvidia unveiled cutting-edge AI-powered innovations ranging from smart home devices to advanced robotics. However, not all that glitters is gold. Critics have pointed out that the term AI is often overused, leading to skepticism about its true value in some products. This raises an important question. How do we distinguish genuine innovation from clever marketing? Healthcare is also undergoing a revolution thanks to AI. A wave of new applications is automating clinical note-taking using advanced speech recognition and large language models to reduce administrative burdens. These tools allow doctors to focus on patients rather than paperwork. Early trials have shown promising results, saving time and improving the quality of consultations. While accuracy remains a concern, the potential to enhance patient care is undeniable. In advertising, AI is reshaping how brands connect with audiences. Platforms like BrandText Pencil use generative AI to create compelling visuals and content at a fraction of the cost and time. This advancement promises to revolutionize marketing strategies. However, it also prompts ethical and economic questions about the future of creative roles and how businesses adapt to this new reality. Finally, the automotive industry is embracing AI in innovative ways. Cerence AI has partnered with Nvidia to enhance voice recognition systems in vehicles, paving the way for smarter, more intuitive driving experiences. This collaboration highlights the potential of AI to redefine how we interact with technology on the move. It's a powerful example of AI's ability to merge convenience with intelligence. These 5 developments demonstrate how artificial intelligence continues to push boundaries across industries, from healthcare to advertising, and even the automotive sector. As AI evolves, it's crucial to remain informed and critical about its impact. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.